everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com, and today is our third video in our Sew in 30 series for Mccalls 7813. I'm really excited because I'm pretty sure that this is going to be the last video for this series. We made amazing progress in our first two videos. If you missed any one of those, you can click right here and check those out. The first video we were able to sew darts, sew side seams. Second video was all about the facing, attaching that, pressing up the hem. And in this video we can just finish off with sewing our hem, finishing up our front opening faces, and then sewing on our snap. So let's go ahead and pick up where we left off in our second video and finish up this series. Alright, so we're going to pick back up where we left off with step 13. I already have my hem pressed up, so everything just needs to be stitched down right now. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, but first let's set this timer. 30 minutes, here we go. So I'm going to head to the machine now and just stitch down my hem. Just sew the hem in place. Now I'm going to press it. Give it a good press. Y'all, Justice is about to start beating on a trash can, so it's about to get loud. Just give y'all a heads up. Oh, well, I can keep the hem here, the iron here, because the next step is to finish up this opening edge on the front. So I'm going to fold, well, I'll start at the bottom. I'll fold in a little bit. All right, next side. All right, so now that I have the front openings pressed, I have the narrow hem, I can go ahead and stitch those, and I'm going to stitch all the way up here, all the way down to the hem. So I can do that now. Now that I have the front opening edges finished with the narrow hem, guess what, y'all? We're all done. The last thing to do is to just sew on the snap. And I'm gonna be honest, I did not look at my notions first, so I do not have a snap. I'm gonna have to go to the store, Walmart tomorrow to buy a snap. But if you have a snap, go ahead and stitch it on to your facing pieces, and you are all done with your skirt. Thank you all so much for joining me for this Sew in 30 series from Mccalls 7813. We worked on View B. We did not even finish the 30 minutes for our third video. I have 15 minutes left, so that is fantastic. I really do hope that you all enjoyed seeing the progress that I made on the skirt. Again, these Sew in 30 videos are all about encouraging you all to just use whatever time you have to work toward finishing your project. It's all about progress. We're not focused on the finish just yet. We're working toward that. So I really do hope that you all enjoyed this. Be sure to share, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you all in the next Sew in 30 series. Blessings, everyone. Bye.